Hi guys, this is my chicken breast, and what I'm gonna do, I have it on my cutting board. I just put some slice in the chicken breast. So the chicken breast is thick, and you want, when you put the chicken in the oven, you want it the inside to jerk or bake also, and you want it when you're marinating your chicken, you just want your season to also get in the middle of your chicken breast. Okay guys, so I just put in some slice in the breast that it can marinate properly. Okay guys, this is how them look after I slice them up, and I'm gonna pour some olive oil on it. Gonna put some garlic, ginger, and pimento 3-in-1 seasoning. Gonna put some jerk marinade. Gonna put some onion powder. Gonna put some jerk seasoning. Gonna put some, I would call this my all-purpose season. So this is my Lawry seasoning salt. And instead I use black pepper, I love to use this basil as my black pepper, because this is very, I guess, healthy, better than black pepper. Gonna put a little bit of brown in just for color. Gonna put some pepper green. This is very hot, so you want to put small amount on it. Okay guys, so this is all I'm gonna put in on my chicken breast. Okay guys, here I have my little teaspoon. I'm gonna put all of the season together in one container. I'm just gonna mix them all together. I never mentioned I have some dry thyme. I'm gonna put all the ingredients in the description box. Okay guys, I remember always season your meat to your taste. Okay guys, the jerk season is already have a little bit of spice. Okay guys, somebody's at the door. Give me a second. So guys, what I'm doing here, I'm just going to mix all the seasoning together. Everything just combining together. I pour some extra virgin olive oil on my chicken. Not plenty. Just going to use my hands and just massage my chicken. Now I'm gonna season up my chicken. Next, I'm gonna add jerk marinade. Guys, what I'm gonna add next is my jerk seasoning, and this is mild 1 teaspoon in there. Okay, share this up guys, and you see, You can see the season inside. Yeah, it's well seasoned, guys. And it smells so good. So guys, what I'm gonna do now, this is my baking tray. I'm just gonna put some olive oil all over my baking tray. I'm just gonna use my hand and just spread it. Okay? And I'm gonna let my chicken breast bake for 40-45 minutes. Okay guys? 40 to 45 minutes in the oven. So guys, this is how it looks so far. The only thing I did when it reached halfway, I just take out some of the moisture out of my baking tray and just pour on the chicken breast them, that it can keep the flavor and the moisture in the chicken breast. That's the only thing I did. I didn't show you. I didn't show you guys. Okay guys? So I'm going to show you our inside look, okay? So guys, what I'm doing now, I'm going to make some sauce. So here I have some Jerk barbecue sauce. What I'm going to do, I don't have a lot in there. So I'm going to put all of it in there. I'm not going to add any sugar to my sauce, but you definitely can if you want to. So I just put some ketchup in there also. So this is my sauce, guys. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my, I didn't put. Yes guys, I'm back again, and this is the finished look of my jerk chicken breast. Guys, it is so good, it is so juicy, it is so tasty guys. I'm gonna put all the ingredients in the description box. Guys, this is so good guys. And here I have my sauce. It is so juicy. So guys, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna have with this jerk chicken breast. Big up on yourself guys, and thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and share and comment and tell me about this wonderful juicy jerk chicken breast recipe guys. Big up on yourself guys. God bless. Big up. Okay guys, enjoy. So guys, this is what I'm gonna have with my jerk chicken breast. Just 2 spoonfuls of rice and 2 slices of salad and half of avocado and a little bit of my sauce right here. Guys, this is what I'm having. So big up on yourself and enjoy this video. Bye.